Hey, what's up, my Chainlink holder brothers? What's going on? Everybody want to earn money, and then he decided to buy a crypto coins. But some people just buy it a wrong cryptocurrency, so they can lost, they can sad, and they lost, they can gone home. Oh my goodness. So today we talk about the channeling cryptocurrency, to what's going on in channel link cryptocurrency. What's going on? Sorry. Okay, guys. So this is the live price prediction of Chainlink holder. If you are a holder of Chainlink, then subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe it, because this channel gives you a video about Chainlink all cryptocurrencies. If you need any information of all cryptocurrencies, then subscribe this channel, check this channel. They can give you a very informative video. Okay, guys, so let's get started this brand video. Chainlink has absolutely gone like a rocket and those days. So Chainlink holder questioned me to why they had gone up in those days, because every cryptocurrency that goes down in those days, but Chainlink is absolutely gone up like a rocket. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 24-hour chart. You can see here, this is the 1 day reason. You can see here the chart is absolutely gone up like a rocket. But in those days, sometimes they can go starting down. So absolutely the reason is that, so this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency goes down in those days. So this is absolutely goes down. But Chainlink is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. They're absolutely starting urgently jumping like a rocket. Absolutely, they're starting jumping. You can see here the chat is in a positive plus 1.79%. They can this is absolutely gone up. So this is good chance. Absolutely for holders. Absolutely, they can give you a good price. You can see here the price of latest price as 31.39 US dollar as the latest price. They absolutely chant at. Oh my goodness. But today, the last 1 hour, I check it. This is 30 US dollar. Absolutely, I am right. This is 30 US dollar, and this is change in the last 1 hour. But I hope upcoming days they can change it, and 40 to 45 US dollar at the end of this month. I hope, my expectation is that they can easily cross it 30 to 35 US dollar. They easily cross it. What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. I hope they can cross it. Okay, guys, so what's your opinion to this? Is selling time, this is buying time, this is holding time? What's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. And my opinion, this is my opinion. I cannot order you, I just share my opinion. Okay, guys, so my opinion to this is good time for buying. Absolutely, this is buying time. Buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. They can give you a good result. So what's your opinion? Please share it in a comment box. And if you like this video, if you this is a helpful video, I hope this is a helpful video. If you enjoyed it, please like video and subscribe channel for more informative video. Allah Hafiz, take care.